Hi Taurus, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for December. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular month has in store for all of you. The first card I see here is Three of Cups, Nine of Swords, Five of Swords. Person B here has Queen of Cups, Nine of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have Page of Wands, which is immature energy and it focuses more towards passion and sex. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Three of Cups, which means that you may be dealing with two people at the same time, because Three of Cups talks about third party situation. The second card for you is Nine of Swords, which means that there is stress, anxiety. There is something that is causing you a lot of stress right now. The third card for you is Five of Swords, which means that there could be some kind of competition also around you. People may be competing with each other to get your attention. Now for person B, the first card is Queen of Cups, which means this person is in the feminine energy right now. Now it is not necessary, it is a female, it's the feminine energy wherein they want to receive love and affection. The second card is Nine of Cups. It means this person has a lot of emotions for you, but they are a little lazy right now. They are not willing to put in that effort. And the third card is the Wheel of Fortune, which means that they're waiting for the Wheel of Fortune, which could be time, destiny, to change so that it positively moves in your direction. Now, the mutual feeling that I see for both of you is Knight of Wands, which means that both of you want to rush in and have a good time, and it's more towards passion and sex. The blockage that I see here is the Star card, which is Aquarius energy. Now, it could be that, for one person, the other partner is wish fulfillment, but that's not mutual among the two of you. Now the third card, which is the outcome, is the King of Pentacles. It shows that both of you will do really well for yourselves. Your finances look really good, so you may also be enjoying the luxuries of life. Now with this, let's quickly see what is the intention of this person. So the first card is the Six of Wands, the Knight of Cups, and the Four of Cups. With the Six of Wands, it means they want victory in this situation. With the Knight of Cups, they want to rush in and express their emotions if they have not yet done that. And with Four of Cups, they may go ahead and withdraw themselves, and it may look like that they are bored in this situation. They will not accept a cup of love right now when they are in this energy. With this, we'll also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you for this month. So the message that I see here is step out of your comfort zone. Now, if you are in your comfort zone, then you need to come out so that you can take a risk, and that's when this relationship will work out. Now, we'll also see what is the message from the archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Moldavite. The crystal message is, are you able to think beyond the ordinary? Is your heart open to love and inner peace? Awaken your consciousness and decide you want to see things from the greater perspective. Increased self-knowledge naturally allows for the healing of your heart, your relationship with others, and the relationship you have with yourself. You have unlimited potential. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Raphael that I'll put in the description box, and you can read it from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.